Surprise part 3, bro. We just came back. It's like a 14th time surprise. Surprise part 3. Dude. Dude, kid's looking good right now.
Nah, bro.
Kid looking
He's
good.
looking.
Top of the morning. Last day.
Hey, bro, chill.
Nah, bro.
I just went and threw out all my shit that I don't want anymore. I didn't even really look through it. I was just like, this pile here, you're gone.
Oh my god, nah,
Just
bro.
starting over with the wardrobe.
Dude, are you sad as I am, bro?
Bro, we had a sentimental last dinner last night. We were going through some of our best times together. Because I've been living with Kate now for like 18 months. This is probably our last time ever living together. Because this getting old, and he's gonna go off and do his own thing with life.
Yeah.
And it's just crazy.
Oh. Thanks. Oh my gosh. All right, let's go take a look at Cade.
What do you think? How are you feeling?
Bro, I'm feeling fucking sad. Well, sad, but like there's new beginnings, but then also like nostalgic in a way, because we've had so much growth. There's been so much that happened these past few months.
Yeah, what do you think the biggest thing is? I would have to think about it.
Yeah, me too. I don't have it on top of my head.
I have no clue. I mean,
in terms of what, like biggest thing that we're gonna miss, or biggest
that you can think about. Like honestly, probably my best memories are gonna be on the couch cackling.
Yeah, laughing.
Maybe because you don't do anything else.
All we do is work and watch anime.
We work, watch anime, and go out to eat like a lot.
I don't know if you can tell by his build.
I would say from a business progress standpoint, we're sorted right now.
Doing solid. I wouldn't say we're sorted, but we're doing solid. Can't complain. But oh my gosh, did I just feel like sitting by the lake and just writing my emotions out type shit?
What would you write down?
I said like how thankful I am for everything, but how much I'm gonna miss this period of time, I guess you could say. Because sometimes it's easy to get distracted and caught up in the moment and what you're doing, that you don't really think about what's around you, and you don't really take time to appreciate everything that you have. But it's like now looking back at everything that we've done these past few months, all the stressful situations, all the people that we met, all the things that we did, all the experiences that we had, like that is what life's about. That's, at least in my perspective.
Deadass, bro.
Like that's what.
I know, but why the fuck from those stressful situations was I so stressed? Because none of them mattered.
Yeah.
Like if I took every single one of those stressful situations, clients having issues, to the extreme, the worst case is they stop working with us. But the amount of mental effort and years off my life I've chosenly taken off myself just to choose to be stressed when there ain't no fucking reason to be.
Yeah, at the end of the day, worshiping the problem, or worrying about the problem is like worshiping it. So instead, think about a solution. Alright, so I just left grounds. Right now I feel the absolute torment of emotions. I am hyper caffeinated right now. I feel low-key a little bit sad and a little bit down since it's the last days over here in Arizona. There's so much that's getting done right now that's moving, and I don't know, there's just so many moving parts and so many things that are going on in my mind that I honestly, I don't even know where to start. Like, I'm just everywhere. Luckily, we're performing and things are getting done. Things are getting handled. But my God, it's just there's just so much right now that I don't even know how to say like what's on my mind, because there's just too many things. It's just a disgusting amount of caffeine flowing through my bloodstream. There's like just nostalgic emotions, and there's things that are like moving with clients, acquisition, then new campaigns that we're launching for other clients, making sure that everyone's doing their fucking role, making sure that things are really just getting moved along. There's a lot. All right, so my last day coming to Chop Shop, and I decided, well, not decided, I had work to do after getting fucking brutally molested by one of the clients. I had to clean up on that side, and then one of the biggest things I saw which got done today is kind of just being like really involved with the product and seeing as to where the leakage lies with like a funnel, or basically kind of just looking at the data and seeing at the stats and seeing as to where we really need to improve. Because at the end of the day, it's kind of like getting down to the product level and being able to decipher and just see like what's working and what isn't, and as to how we can improve the product. So at the end of the day, something I really emphasize on is the product is not the funnel or the video or what we do, it's the results that we get that we get the clients. So really just been obsessing over that. And one of the things as to which I kind of drew out was on here, kind of just like an organizational thing, seeing as to how things are laid out in terms of like everyone at the company. and seeing as to how we can really just leverage the people that we have, and seeing as to how we can maximize them, and seeing as to potentially basically kind of like seeing it not necessarily by roles, but as to how things are structured right now, and as to how we can, I guess you could say, free up more of our people's time, and seeing as to where their time's going and asking them, like, what are their flows looking like, or maybe are we bloated in a certain area, like, for example, right now for long-form editors, I can tell that we are a little, we are definitely bloated. For short-form editors, I think we're looking good. Long-form creators, I think we're looking good too. I think the only place where we're really bloated right now is long-form editors, and really just being able to decipher as to where we can move certain people around, potentially, and as to where people are best put in the company. And I was, basically, those are the things as to which I was looking at today. Right now, I'm gonna hit the gym. Josh left. Kate is nowhere to be found. Last day in Arizona. Luckily, I have a good farewell tomorrow with my good friend and mentor, Travis. So that'll be fun. But yeah, it's last time at the chop shop. I'm gonna miss it. Surprise part 3, bro. We just came back. It's like a 14th time surprise. Surprise part 3. Dude. The kid's looking good right now.
Nah, bro.
He's looking good.
He's looking good, bro.
Dude, no, today was a fucking chaos. I was having I think prior to this, oh my god. That was not the best feeling. Actually, it was actually probably one of the worst feelings I've ever had of dread. Now we have Kate over here. Kate just made me feel better by doing
Bro,
it.
Cade is filing for bankruptcy. He's giving up all of his properties. He has 40K in debt,
Bro,
and he's less stressed than me and most of
We're gonna start fresh tomorrow. Actually, I don't know how long bankruptcy takes.
Ask Claude.
Claude, file bankruptcy.
File for bankruptcy for me. Nah, but today, I don't know.
I got boxed. Golf clubs.
Yeah. Guys, this is all for sale, by the way. So if anyone wants to buy towels or
Dude, where the fuck is
shoes
my
or
tripod?
we need to cut out.
What is it?
Dude, I haven't scheduled the
Is it just
vlog for
adjusted
yesterday because
tripod?
Yeah.
Oh wait, never mind. I'm thinking of.
he's thinking.
Nah, I have a second one that I need for tomorrow.
Is it in your room?
I'm gonna
Is it-
check,
is
but-
it-
We're looking for the trapod.
Okay. Okay, maybe it is. Let me check.
Is it 4
We're
inch long?
checking. The Quattro by Quattro. Let's check Josh's room.
Don't come in here.
No, you can't show the stain.
It's not here, bro. What's stain?
Nice and covered up. No, bro, he lost his tripod. This is the last time.
The last
fuck out of
The
here.
last breakfast. Right before this camera's on, me and Kay were hugging.
Last supper.
Last time all 3 of the Tres Amigos are together for.
We had a pretty intense ordeal, Josh.
Okay.
What?
Last,
Oh, no.
Fuck, bro. One last hug.
one last arch.
Nah, bro. Bring it in, bro.
I don't really want to get touched by it.
Nah, bro.
Alright, that's fine.
I'm gonna miss my boys, bro.
28-year-old man.